Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to Top Level Study, the new age of success. Myself, Sanjay, ex-General Indian Air Force. Without wasting the time, let us start the second part of 1000 plus most important computer knowledge MCQ series. So let's begin. हमेशा की तरह आज भी एक मोटिवेशनल थॉट के साथ हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, आज का थॉट ऑफ द डे ये है, स्टडी लाइक देयर इज नो टुमारो, बिकॉज इफ यू कीप पुटिंग ऑफ योर स्टडीज फॉर टुमारो यू विल प्रोवाइड बी टू लेट. फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट एक नज़र डाल लेते हैं कंप्यूटर नॉलेज सिलेबस पर. आई विल नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम, यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड गो थ्रू द syllabus. Now let us move to our question number 1, that is question number 41 of this series. In an absolute loading scheme, which loader function is accomplished by programmer? Options are linking, या allocation, या both linking and allocation, या reallocation, and the answer is both linking and allocation. Our next question is, specialized program that allows user to utilize in specific application is classified as what? Options are relative programs, application programs, system programs, or replicated programs, and the answer is option number B, that is application programs. Okay, next question is question number 3. Layer 1 of the OSI model is, options are physical layer, या link layer, या transport layer, या network layer, and the answer is physical layer. I'll tell something about OSI model. OSI model is open system interconnection model. In this there are 7 layers as you can see, and the bottom 3 layers are called hardware layers and the top 3 layers are called software layers. Next question is, establishing a virtual connection is functionally equivalent to what? Options are physically connecting a DT and DC, connecting a virtual memory, या placing a telephone call prior to a conversation, या none of this, and the answer is placing a telephone call prior to a conversation. Next question, question number 5. Program which is used to control system performance is classified as what? Options are experimental program, system program, या specialized program, या organized program, and the answer is question option number B, that is system program. So system program is used to control system performance. Our next question is, shell is the exclusive feature of what? Options are Unix, या DOS, या system software, या application software, and the answer is Unix. Question number 7. Storage which stores or retains data after power off is called what? Options are volatile storage, non-volatile storage, sequential storage, या direct storage, and the answer is non-volatile storage. Next question. Typical acronym of reusable optical storage will be what? Options are CD, that is compact disc, या CD-RW, that is compact disc read write, या DVD digital versatile disc, या RPM, and the answer is option B, that is CD-RW. Next question. Breaking logical memory into blocks of the same size is called as dash. Options are frames, या segments, या packets, या pages, and the answer is pages. Question number 10. Which of the following is a valid domain? Options are .um, .tom, .cam, .org, and the answer is .org. Question number 11. Information in a memory is not wanted or no longer valid is known as what? Answer is garbage. Question number 12. Which file format can be added to a PowerPoint show? Options are .gif, .jpg, .wav, yeah, all of above, and the answer is all of above. Question number 13. To print PowerPoint presentation, press what? Options are Ctrl plus P, या Ctrl plus S, या Ctrl plus Shift plus P, या Ctrl plus A, and the answer is Ctrl plus P. Question number 14. Which of the following will not advance the slides in a slideshow view? Options are the mouse buttons, the enter key, the tab key, या the escape key, and the answer is the tab, and the answer is the escape key. Question number 15. Which key can be used to view slideshow? Options are F5, या F2, या F7, या F8, and the answer is F5. So F5 can be used to view slideshow. Question number 16. In Microsoft Excel, formula palette is used to what? Options are format cells containing number, या create and edit formulas containing functions, या enter assumption data, या copy all cells, and the answer is create and edit formulas containing functions. Question number 17. Which among following is associated with Excel? Options are graphic program, या spreadsheet, या Microsoft Office, या none of these, and the answer is spreadsheet. Question number 18. Which type of charts can Excel produce? Options are bar charts, line graphs and pie charts. Option B, line graphs and pie charts only. Option C, bar charts and line graphs only. Yeah, option D, only line graphs. So answer is bar charts, line graphs and pie charts. Question number 19. Which is the part of the computer system that one can physically touch? Options are data, yeah operating systems, yeah hardware, yeah software, and the answer is hardware. So hardware is the part of the computer system that you can physically touch. Question number 20. Which one of the following is not an internet service provider, that is ISP? And options are MTNL, या BSNL, या Airnet India, या Infotech India Limited, and the answer is Infotech India Limited is not an internet service provider. Question number 21 is storage mapping is done by which of the following? Options are linker, या compiler, या loader, या operating system, and answer is compiler. Storage mapping is done by compiler. Question number 22. There can be many ways to insert page number in a document. Which of the following lets you insert page number? Options are page number from insert menu, या page setup from file menu, या footnote from insert menu, या both page number from insert menu and footnote from insert menu, and the answer is page number from insert menu. Question number 23. Which of the following option in file put down menu is used to close a Microsoft Word document? Options are quit, या close, या exit, या new, and the answer is close. Question number 24. In Microsoft Word, which of the following is not available in font spacing? Options are normal, या loosely, या condensed, या expanded, and the answer is loosely. Question number 25. Changing the appearance of a document is called what? Options are proofing, editing, formatting, yeah all of the above, and the answer is formatting. Our next question is in Microsoft Access, which of the following relation algebra operation don't require the participant tables to be union compatible? And the options are union, या intersection, या difference, या join, and the answer is join. Question number 27. In a Microsoft Access, the language that requires a user to specify the data to be retrieved without specifying exactly how to get it is known as what? Options are procedural DML, या non-procedural DML, या procedural DDL, या non-procedural DDL, and the option is non-procedural DDL. And what is DML? DML is data manipulation language, and what is DDL? DDL is data description language. Question number 28. What is disjoint-less constraint in Microsoft Access? Options are it requires that an entity belongs to no more than one level entity set. Yeah, the same entity may belong to more than one level. Yeah, the database must contain an unmatched foreign key value. Yeah, an entity can be joined with another entity in the same level entity set, and the answer is it requires that an entity belongs to no more than one level entity set. Question number 29. What is data integrity? Important question. It is the data contained in database that is non-redundant. Yeah, it is the data contained in database that is accurate and consistent. Yeah, it is the data contained in database that is secured. Yeah, it is the data contained in database that is shared, and the answer is it is the data contained in database that is accurate and consistent. Our next question. Each box in a spreadsheet is called a dash. Options are cell, या empty space, या record, या field, and the answer is cell. So each box in a spreadsheet is called as a cell. Question number 31. In hexadecimal number system, digits used are 0 to 9 and alphabets used are A to dash. Options are E, या F, या G, या D, and the answer is F. So hexadecimal number system में 0 to 9 digits और A to F letters are used. Our question number 32, binary coded decimal, that is BCD numbers, express each digit as a dash. Options are byte, या nibble, या bit, या all of these, and the answer is nibble. So what is nibble? Nibble is set of 4 bits. Okay, our next question is, how many bytes are there in 1011, 1001, 0110, 1110 numbers? Friends, this is a binary number, and the question is how many bytes are there in this number. So options are 1 byte, या 2 byte, या 4 byte, या 8 byte, and the answer is 2 byte, because 1 byte is set of 8 bytes and there are 16 bits, so the answer is 2 byte. Question number 34, which among the following type of computers is also known informally as number cruncher? Most important question, and options are mini computer, super computer, या micro computer, या mainframe computer, and the answer is super computer. So super computers are also known as number crunchers. Question number 35, the binary number 1001 1101 is equal to which hexadecimal number? Options are 9E, 9F, 9D, या FF, and the answer is 9D. Our next question, the 2's complement in binary system is useful for expressing what? Options are for positive numbers, for negative numbers, for both positive and negative numbers, yeah, none of this, and the answer is for negative numbers. Question number 37, what is the minimum number of wires needed to send data over a serial communication link layer? सीरियल कम्युनिकेशन लिंक लेयर में अगर आपको डाटा भेजना है तो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ वायर्स की ज़रूरत कितना होता है? ऑप्शंस आर 1 या 2 या 3 या 4, and the answer is you need 2 wires. Question number 38 is, which bus is bidirectional? Options are data bus, या control bus, या address bus, या multiplexed bus, and the answer is data bus. So data bus is bidirectional. Question number 39, the time required for the fetching and execution of one simple machine instruction is known as what? Options are delay time, या CPU cycle, या real time, या seek time, and the answer is CPU cycle. Our last question, that is question number 80, and for this video question number 40, satellite in geosynchronous orbit. Options are remains in a fixed position relative to points on the earth, या moves faster than the earth's rotation so that it can cover a larger portion of the earth, या remains in a fixed position so as when the earth rotates it can fully cover the earth, या none of this, and the answer is remains in a fixed position so as when the earth rotates it can fully cover the earth. So friends, ये था आज का हमारा 40 MCQs. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर वीडियो थोड़ा सा भी पसंद आया है या आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला है, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर. एंड अगेन फिर से वही कह रहा हूँ, स्टे होम, बी सेफ, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड जय हिंद.